welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the language on Gmail using your PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in your Gmail account, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click on it to open a drop-down list. In that drop-down, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings menu, where you can customize various options for your Gmail experience. Now scroll down until you find the language section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu that lists the available languages. Click on it and select your preferred language from the list. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll find the Save Changes button. Click on it to ensure your new language setting is applied. And there you have it. Your Gmail interface will now be displayed in the language you selected. This change not only makes navigating your inbox easier, but can also enhance your overall experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.